Look around you. How many screens do you see? Your phone, your laptop, your TV. We are surrounded by flat, black rectangles that trap light inside glass. We live in a two-dimensional world, but science fiction promised us something else. It promised us Princess Leia floating in the air. It promised us Tony Stark manipulating data with his hands in mid-air. Where are our holograms? Are they just a movie special effect, or are they the inevitable future of computing? Welcome to the end of the screen age on CurioExplains. But don't lose hope. Real scientists are working on the real thing. They are called volumetric displays. Instead of tricking your eye, these machines actually create points of light in three-dimensional space. Some labs use powerful lasers to trap tiny dust particles in the air and light them up, creating glowing voxels, three-dimensional pixels, that float freely. Others are using high-powered lasers to literally turn the air itself into glowing plasma. These are the first baby steps towards the Star Wars dream. They are small, dangerous, and expensive, but they are real three-dimensional images. Imagine a world where the technology matures. No more TVs hanging on your wall. Your wall is the display. No more looking down at your phone. Your map floats in front of you on the street. Architects could walk through their buildings before they are built. Surgeons could practice on a three-dimensional hologram of your heart before opening your chest. This is the promise of spatial computing, merging the digital world seamlessly with the physical world. We are in the transition phase. The screens are getting better, but they are still just screens. True holograms are coming, but physics is putting up a tough fight. Until then, we will have to keep staring at our black rectangles. Are you ready to ditch your smartphone for a hologram? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to CurioExplains to see the future first. Stay visionary.